Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to change the citizenship on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change citizenship in the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap on to the three dot lines at the left corner at the top, just right here. Then tap on to Profile and Settings. Now scroll down and here you can find the option of Close Account, just right here. Now tap on it. Now here is the thing, after you add the citizenship in the Coinbase, you cannot simply change it. So to change it, you need to close this account and use another account to add another citizenship. Only by doing this, you can change the citizenship in the Coinbase app. And that's it. This is how you can change citizenship on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.